Hello everyone. Today we'll guide you through editing a page using the drag and drop feature. We're on our About page and we'll start by editing the first section. Click the pen icon next to an element and select Drag and Drop. Click Activate to confirm. Drag and drop mode is now enabled for the entire section. This means you can move and resize all elements within the section as well as add new ones. Let's give it a try. We'll resize the text element by dragging its border to the left to reduce its width. Next, we'll add an image beside it. Click Add Element, choose Media, and then select Image or Video. A sample image is added in the top left corner of the section by default. We'll move it to the right of the text and resize it. Now let's rearrange the two elements until they sit nicely next to each other. Next, we'll replace the image. To exit drag and drop mode, click Save. Then click the pen icon on the image, choose Change Content, click Change below the image, and select a new image from the image library. And that's how you activate and use drag and drop in Portfoliobox. Stay tuned.